If you enter a space and you feel comfortable, you feel at home, you feel that, oh, I can relax here, then we have done what we're supposed to do. I'm Kofi Adomako from Ghana. Half German, half Ghanaian, and I'm an architect, and I studied in Germany. I have my office in Germany since 1998. In 2023, we opened our office in Accra, Ghana. I grew up in Ghana, so I want to have an impact in the architecture in Ghana because it's very vibrant. The architecture in Ghana at the moment is very vibrant, and I think I can give something back to the youngsters and the upcoming vibrant architects, the young architects. They are awesome architects. And the vision, the philosophy is working, doing green architecture. Green meaning like sustainable architecture, ecological architecture, and trying to experiment with products we have in Ghana. Instead of importing everything, trying to use the products that we have in Ghana. We try to cut down on stuff which is not recyclable. You know, we have our own products, we have our own materials, so we can be urban, we can be like modern, but translated in an African way. If we have an identity, if we try to use our identity in architecture, it will be a good thing. Yeah, sort of like trying to play around with the interiors so that the interior of an apartment has like a personal note to it. So we experimented with it, and so most of the furniture in there are like furniture that my parents used. So instead of throwing that furniture away, I was like, let's polish it up, fix it, put it in a new context. We're designing for people. We try to have like warm lights. The colors are very important. So we use earth tone colors, you know. Yeah, we're children growing up outside, we played. It's brownish colors, earthly colors. It makes us feel connected to the ground, to the earth. And when you use these colors, I mean, that's my opinion. I think people feel very, very comfortable. So I always say it's like an orchestra. You know, you have an orchestra and you have different instruments. Somebody has to put the instruments together. The trumpeter guy is too loud, and that's how we work with spaces. If you enter a space and you feel comfortable, you feel at home, you feel that, oh, I can relax here, then we have done what we're supposed to do. When you enter an apartment or a space, I want you to feel comfortable.